So you're at the BP pump, and that little sign promising serious fuel savings is practically calling your name. You think about applying for the gas card, but then that little voice of doubt kicks in. Is my credit score good enough for this? You definitely don't want to apply just to get hit with another denial. But what if you knew exactly what score they're looking for before you even start the application? Well, stick around, because I'm about to break down the real credit score you need for a BP gas card and share a few tips to boost your odds of getting approved. Alright, let's get right to it. For the main BP Rewards Visa card, you'll want to aim for a credit score of 700 or better. This is generally considered good credit. While some people might get approved with a score in the high 600s, targeting 700 gives you the strongest shot at approval. You should know, there used to be an older, store-only card that was easier to get, but the current Visa is the one you really want for the best rewards. So what if your score isn't quite at 700 yet? Don't worry, here's a simple game plan. First, remember this isn't just a basic gas card. It's a real Visa card issued by First National Bank of Omaha, FNBO, which means you can use it pretty much anywhere, not just at the pump. Next, before you officially apply, look for a pre-qualification offer online. This is a fantastic way to check your approval odds without getting a hard inquiry that could temporarily ding your score. And finally, here's the golden rule once you have the card. Use it to get those fuel savings, but make sure to pay the balance in full every single month. The interest rates on gas cards can be incredibly high, and there's no sense in saving on gas just to hand all that money back in interest charges. Before you apply for a BP gas card, check your real credit score, the exact score lenders use, and carefully review your credit report for any errors that may be lowering it. Best part, you can access both for almost free for 7 days. Link to get started is in the description. So there you have it. The magic number is around 700, but the real secret is having a smart strategy. It's not just about getting the card, it's about using it to actually save money.